Hey guys, so today I will show you several better than cloves hair growth remedies that works. So let's get started. Alright, so the first option that you guys can do is using fenugreek. Now, fenugreek gel is actually a great treatment for both your scalp and hair. This is why it is very ideal to use if you're trying to grow your hair long and healthy. Now, it is said that due to its nutrients and protein content, fenugreek oil or gel has been shown to be effective against hair loss and baldness because it nourishes the hair and scalp in depth. It also helps fight lice and dandruff, and in addition, it strengthens and softens dry and brittle hair, and furthermore, it stimulates hair growth. Plus, this is very easy to apply and to rinse off the hair, and I really do like the softening and the smoothening effect on the hair once you're done applying it and washing it off. So this is the result of it. Alright, now the second option is to use the blue butterfly tea. Now with this one, you will have to consume it. Now the butterfly pea extract boosts hair growth as it contains a potent bioflavonoids, anthocyanin, which increases blood flow in the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. Now it is considered one of the nature's most effective ingredients for promoting hair growth and darkening the hair naturally. So what you can do with this is you can brew this as a tea or either use it externally and add this on your DIY hair mask. But I find personally for me that it is actually good to take it in internally. Not only is this good for hair growth, but also this is good for the skin and keeping your body healthy. Alright, option number 3 is to use amla. Now it is said that amla is one of the best ingredients you can use on your hair to prevent hair fall and boost hair growth because it is considered as a superfood. But also when applied topically, the vitamins and minerals along with the phytonutrients present in amla increases blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. Now, the blood circulation ensures that the scalp gets all the essential nutrients and oxygen to be healthy. And also, by the way, this amla paste, it's very easy to make. And if you guys want an in-depth tutorial, I am going to be linking it in the description box down below so you all can follow along. And option number 4 is using aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is my go-to hair and scalp remedy when I was back home because I just have them in my garden, but also because they contain vitamins A, C, and E, and all of these 3 vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Aloe vera also conditions and moisturizes the hair and scalp, and you can use it as is or simply add this into one of your DIY hair masks, just as like what I'm doing here as well. And lastly, number 5 is turmeric. Now, once again, this is something that you can actually ingest and just take it in versus applying it externally. Now, turmeric is one of the natural ingredients that is thought to increase the length of the anagen growth phase of hair. This phase is one of the 4 hair growth cycles in which new hair growth happens as it pushes the old hair up and out of the hair follicles. Now, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are a major boon to thinning hair as it stimulates hair growth, plus it fights dandruff when applied topically. So that is it, you guys. These are just alternative hair growth remedies as well that you can use just in case if you don't have cloves, or if you don't like the scent of cloves, or if you just don't want to use cloves at all on your hair. These are great substitutes that you can use on your hair or just incorporate in your DIY hair masks. So that is it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!